All right, here I'm going to discuss the mechanical events of the cardiac cycle. Here is a graph that represents the cycle, and as you can see here it begins at 1, and this is where the AV valves initially open. Then it moves on to step 2, and here there's passive ventricular filling, and as you can see the volume increases and the pressure slightly increases as well. Moving on to step 3, you can see that there's an atrial contraction that fills up the ventricle with blood, and then it reaches end diastolic volume eventually. And then moving on to step 4, the AV valve closes. Now, as you can see here, the pressure is going to significantly increase, and this moves us on to step 5, where there is an isovolumetric ventricular contraction, and the volume stays constant, the pressure increases significantly, and then it moves on to step 6, where now the aortic valve opens, and this leads to a decrease in volume through stroke volume ejection, where blood is released. So here the volume decreases and the pressure slightly increases until it peaks, until it moves, or until it reaches end systolic volume here at number 8, and at number 8 the aortic valve closes as well. And then the last step, you can see there is a significant pressure drop, and this is due to the isovolumetric ventricular relaxation, where the volume remains constant and the pressure decreases, and that sums up the mechanical events of the cardiac cycle.